Fiji has a lot of environmental NGOs. Most of these NGOs have been here for years and have been doing some very, very good work in the country, terrestrial as well as marine. And they are all overseas based. The very first local NGO is NatureFiji-MareqetiViti, or NatureFiji. And we are here to try to search for one of Fiji's long lost bird, which is called red-throated lorikeet. In Fijian it's called Kulawai. It's endemic to Fiji, and it was found in 3 places in Fiji. One of them is Taveuni, Ovalau, as well as Vitilevu. The Kulawai is a small bird to start off with, and it's green, which blends really well with the leaf, which makes it very, very difficult for the search. And in a flowering tree, it gives way to the big birds like honey eaters, as well as the collared lory, the kula. And so NatureFiji has been fundraising for more than a year and trying to get some funds to be able to send a team to actually search for this red-throated lorikeet. Now, concerning the search that we are doing in Taveuni, not only in Taveuni, the search that we are actually doing all over Fiji, first of all is just to identify whether the bird is still alive or not. We believe they're still around, in very small numbers in a huge patch of forest, and only few people are looking. Well, if we don't find the Kulawai here in Taveuni, we will still be looking. One is because of the fact that it is endemic to Fiji. Number 2, we still have a good chunk of forest, a big chunk of forest that we need to look, search in. And the latest sightings was in 1993, and that was in Vitilevu. So we probably may need to revisit that site and concentrate more, spend a longer time in that particular site searching for Kulawai. The Kulawai, the fact that it is endemic to Fiji makes it very important for Fijians to protect it. Because when we lose it here, it cannot be found anywhere else in the world. And so that is why it is very, very important to create a lot of awareness to the people of Fiji about what belongs to us. I've been here for more than 10 years in the conservation area, and I find that we take it for granted that we have all this, but we know so little about what we possess. We thank NatureFiji for actually doing work like this in trying to identify and also trying to raise awareness of what is Fijian, because we are losing most of the indigenous knowledge of what we possess here in Fiji. And it is critical that NatureFiji is doing some great work in identifying what needs to be protected and also raising awareness in the community in trying to let the community know that we have some very critical natural resources that we need to protect.